We have an artist who draw our design. Lay the trace from the artist's drawing onto the cloth with a pencil. We're going to apply hot wax onto the areas we want the stain white. We apply the wax on one side, it goes right through. After waxing, when we want to still white, we take it off the frame, dip in a cold water, color fast dye. This has been the into the dye. The white area is where you wax first. The wax is still on. And we want to keep some of this color. We're going to apply more wax. We continue waxing and dyeing until we have all the colors. If we need 5 colors, we are going to wax it 5 times and dye it 5 times. After having all the colors, we'll boil it for 30 minutes. The wax will rise to the top, we skim it off. Most of it can be recycled. That can be washed by hand or by machine. They will never shrink. That can be ironed. You can put it in the dryer to be dry. This is our masterpiece, 5 colors, 9 days work. Now that piece runs from different steps on the wall here, from trace all the way across the final product. The more colors, the longer it takes.
The wording here on this sign says Bell Tower. The bell tower at Romney Manor was used to control the daily lives of the slaves. The sound of the bell was heard throughout the day. It was used to signal key moments such as the start of the day's work, time to return from the fields at the end of the day, and time to go to sleep. Because of their symbolism, most bell towers were destroyed at the time of emancipation. At this time, however, the Earl of Romney was regarded as a more benevolent owner. The consideration was as a result of his efforts at the time of emancipation to release his slaves immediately. Other owners chose to prolong the status quo by implementing a further 4 years of apprenticeship. As a result, the bell tower at Romney Manor is the only perfectly preserved bell tower left standing in St. Kitts. And here is the view. And there's one coming up on you. Okay. Wow. Oh, I see them. Oh, wow.